Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this batch and bottle premium pre-batched cocktails, Monkey Shoulder Lazy Old Fashioned, made with blended malt Scotch whiskeys and bitters. And this is made or imported into New York, New York. And I will give you an honest review. The color looks kind of lighter than the other one that I did yesterday, but we're going to see how it tastes. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Carpenter's Mate Second Class William Burns. William served in the Navy fighting in Europe during World War II. He remained aboard the destroyer USS Glennon when it struck a mine on June 8, 1944. On June 10, 1944, the ship was struck with multiple artillery barrages from German forces. The USS Glennon sunk that night. 38 sailors were wounded and 25 were missing. William was one of those missing. He was 25 years old at the time. His remains were unaccounted for until June 30th, 2025, when he was positively identified and will now be getting a proper burial at a later date. He called North Carolina home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You have been missed. This old fashioned is below standards for me. I think when you mix a scotch, and I hate to sound disgusting, but it has a bile taste to it. Then I get black licorice, which then makes it even worse. I'm going to give this one a 2 out of 10. I would not recommend this old fashioned unless you truly like the Monkey Shoulder Scotch. And I'm sorry if I offended anybody, but this is what the taste buds are relaying to my brain. It's not very good. And I do not recommend this product. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. William, you sacrificed your life. I can sacrifice a sip. May you finally rest in peace. Still not good. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.